So a weak moment can stop you. If you have a real life, just like a creature out there in the woods, if they have a weak moment, they're done. So it's only humans that can have that privilege. Saying, oh, I think I'll just curl over with a good book today. I've been here since 1979. That must be over 30 years, I guess. Yeah. Worked long shifts and saved money, but then when I got out in the world, it went really fast, so it was never not very effective. And then I started traveling, and then I realized I went to San Francisco in 1969, and just blew the hole in my whole idea of what life was all about. But when you're on the land and you're farming, your life is full, and I have to be in that zone just to keep doing what I do. You know, when things become clear to you, what motivates you more, and you get more honest with who you are and your limits and all that. I don't remember having second thoughts about this place. And before I come here, I was a traveler. I didn't feel at home. It took me a long time to really feel at home here. I didn't know who was going to, how it was going to go. I never did. I still don't. You know. I'm not so concerned about the outcome. You know.